Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today's video is in collaboration with Better Length Hair's Kinky Coarse clip-ins. One order of these clip-ins come with 10 pieces and blend perfectly with my natural hair. If you're looking to get some yourself, here is some insight on texture. To the left are the Kinky Coarse clip-ins, and to the right are Kinky Straight. I actually made a mistake getting the Kinky Straight first, but the Kinky Coarse blends much better. Now onto applying the clip-ins. I'm working on heatless, stretched hair for easier application. I'm gonna first start by pulling some hair out at the base of my neck and beginning with a 3-clip piece towards the base of my head since it's the smallest area, and I'm gonna apply this piece upside down. Be sure to measure pieces before clipping and readjust to your own comfort. Once that piece is secure, time to move on. Now, following where the last clip-ins were placed, I gently pulled out a layer of hair right above it, not only to cover the bottom clips, but to give the next set something to clip onto. This is one of the widest parts of my head, so I'm going in with a 5-clip piece. Starting with the middle clip, I comfortably secure it on and make my way to the ends. And then I'm just gonna continue this technique until I get a bit higher on my head. If I'm being honest, I'm pretty surprised at how well this blended with my hair just being stretched out. Something as easy as brushing it through blended it together perfectly, and I love that. So I'm very happy with these clip-ins. Quick tip, it's important to space the clips accordingly so you still have some hair at the top to cover the clip-ins. Once I finished the back pieces, I knew I wanted a side part and had to pre-part my hair so I can place the clips properly and still have them hidden. This left a pretty small section of hair to work with on my left side, so I split that hair in half and I used a 3-clip piece. And just a reminder, my hairline is pretty thin in the front, so I had to do some readjusting for comfort to ensure I don't pull any hair out. Now onto my right side. I still have a good amount of hair to work with and hide clips in, so I went in with 2 sets of 2-clip pieces, measured it to make sure no wefts were sticking out in the front, and continued building out on that side. I'm still pretty new to clip-ins, but this was the easiest application I've ever had, to be honest. After the last set, I went in with 2 more sets of 2-clip pieces. These 2-clip pieces are extremely easy to hide and move around, so I really liked utilizing that on this side. As I got closer to the top, I realized I could have actually used those 2-clip pieces at the top part of my head, but instead, I grabbed a 4-clip piece and just cut it down the middle to create 2 more 2-clip pieces, which are going to be the last pieces I use. I really wanted to be sure this last piece was hidden, so if you can see, I readjusted the front clip so the hair would fall down my forehead like a bang. After I completed, I was only left with 1 5-clip piece, equaling a total of 9 pieces used in this style. And that is how I apply clip-ins. I really don't use clip-ins often, but once I got my hands on these clip-ins and I see how it looks now, I'm sold. I'm sold. I love it. It looks so natural and I can create so many styles out of these clip-ins. And just to do a quick test on form with these clip-ins, I did a quick 20-minute braid out using some mousse. If you are interested in a separate tutorial on how I styled this hair and how to do a braid out with this hair, please let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do that for y'all. Wait till this final look. Wait till this final look. Final look in 3, 2, 1. I told you. It's so cute. My hair definitely needs more moisture to blend better with the clip-ins, but for a quick 20-minute mousse braid out, I love it and I hope you love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Better Length Hair for this partnership. Much love to everyone and see you in my next video. Peace out.